Hello, everybody. Welcome to Stock Market Jimmy. I haven't done a video in a while. There was really no reason to do another video. I am going to be doing a pre-market daily podcast for you guys in the stock market. Basically going to share my morning coffee with you guys. So you guys stay tuned and join this channel, support this channel. Hit the subscribe button for me. Basically, what we're going to do every single morning around 7:30, I'll release a video every morning, and we'll basically have our coffee together and go over the market. Sometimes it will be at 7 a.m. In the morning, so between 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. Stay tuned and look out for a morning video for Stock Market Jimmy. I'll do that on a regular basis. Now, today is a a lot of crazy things going on right now. Last 2 days in the stock market, you're seeing a big decline in cryptocurrency and also in stocks. Guys, it's a money grab. That's all this is, okay? This is a manipulated, typical stock market. Like, unfortunately, nowadays in the stock market, a lot of things are based on hype. You know, you have a lot of stocks that have no business going up the way that they're going up. And then you just have this big push on certain specific stocks where these stocks just skyrocket. And obviously, if you're a part of that, you're happy. Now, a lot of these stocks that are showing big downtrends right now, they're not even being affected unless only on the people who come in super late after the stock's already 2x'd or 1x'd, you know. And of course, if you come in really late, I tried to teach you that kind of stuff, you're going to get just destroyed. There's a lot of times that you're just going to get destroyed when you do that. So let's go over things. I'll show you how much some of these stocks are really coming down, okay? Now, yesterday, for example, AMD was down $4, but it was only 1.69%. So if you look at the pre-market, look at the pre-market, you're already down 1.24%, $2.92 already in pre-market. But here's a perfect example of how. Let me show you on a 5-year. Look at this, guys. How is this affecting anybody? These people literally were down here at $85 and went all the way up to $235. Those people are not affected by the stock market. Those people made a fortune. It's the people who come in and don't pay attention and just join the hype. You cannot do that. You will get crushed. Okay? Google, it was at $251. I don't care if this stock goes down $10, $20 in one day. It's not even going to affect anybody that bought this stock at $157. Okay? Amazon. Let's talk about Amazon. Guys, Amazon is going to be a buy. It's going to be a buy. Look at it in the aftermarket. Now, it's only at $213. Guys, it's not even hardly down in the pre-market, okay? So that's a good price for Amazon, even though it's at these 5-year highs. Like, yes, it's at a 5-year high. On a 1-year, it's almost at a 1-year high. The reason why that I say that this is a good buy is because Amazon is involved in everything, like everything. Now, if we have a China trade war happen again, and then the tariffs start this bull crap again for like 2-3 months, what is it going to do to Amazon stock? It's going to bring it right back down to 185. It's possible that that could happen. But the bottom line with Amazon is you're already getting a little bit of a lower price. Amazon is a little different, guys. You can't really look at Amazon as, oh, I'm overpaying for Amazon. You know, this is a stock that could easily be $500 in 2 years from now. So I wouldn't worry about Amazon. Amazon is at anything below 220 is a decent buy for Amazon. Okay, I'm not going to get into... Okay, now Chipotle's made a little bit of a comeback, guys. Let's see what it's doing in pre-market. So it closed yesterday at 41.76. It only went down a fraction. And if you look at this stock, I think I pointed this one out to you guys last time. It's on a 1-year low, way down at the bottom over here. So even at the 41 price, it's now if you look at a 5-year, it's about average on a 5-year. So it was actually up 55% over 5 years, and then it's given back 30% of that. Now I'll show you some examples of the opposite of that. So here's what I mean. I looked at a stock early this morning. Matter of fact, it's a stock that I actually own, which is this one here, OKTA. All right, this is a identity security company. And if you look at this stock on a 5-year, I want to show you something. So on a 5-year, you have a 64% that this stock has lost in 5 years. $156 it has come down. $156. That's insane. Now, if you look, now watch this. Out of that 64%, in the 1 year, it's gotten back 18%. In 1 year, it's gained back almost 20%. But if you really look at what it lost 64. So in reality, this is a losing stock over the last 5 years. So the price of this stock today, even in pre-market, it's at $87.25. Now guys, I want to share something with you. If I would have made this video 1 hour earlier, this stock literally was almost at $85.80. So it has come roaring back in pre-market. So a lot of these financial institutions will dump them because of fear, and a lot of big money will come in these pre-markets when they see the price is decent. So the fact that this is now at $87.25, it gives me hope that maybe today won't be as bad as it could be. I don't know. It's very hard to say. I have zero interest in selling my position. I bought it at a decent price. If you look at the price right now, what could it go down to? Sure, it could go down another $10 per share. If that was to happen, look at this on a 5-year. I mean, look, guys, this is the all-time low. It went all the way down to like $45. And that was in November, which is kind of scary because we're coming up to a November. But that was 3 years ago that it hit that price. So anything's possible. Anything's possible, guys. But what you have to look at is look how quick it rebounded from that November in 2000. Look at this. So November, December, January, it already went up all the way back to 70. So you went, when you had it at $45, you had big financial institutions come flying in and bring that bad boy all the way right back up to 86. Okay, so you guys cannot panic when you own quality stocks at a reasonable, decent, good price. Okay, same thing with Novo. That's why I've told you guys to not listen to the noise with Novo. Okay, at 5 years, it made 57% in 5 years. But if you look at the last year, it gave up back everything. It gave up all of the profits in just the last year. Think about that. In 1 year, it gave up what it did for 5 years. It took 5 years to get that 58%, and in 1 year, it almost gave every single penny back. So in pre-market, this stock right now is getting destroyed. It's at $54 basically. So it's down a good amount of, guys, you're talking $2.13. That's a big sell-off. That is a good price to buy this at today. I'm telling you, okay? Don't be scared. Novo, N-O-V-O. You should be able to get this for like $54.25 today. That's a steal, people. A steal. When they announce their oral pill for their weight loss is going to be FDA approved any time before this year or by January of 2026, that alone is going to skyrocket this thing back to $65 a share. I like that stock. Okay, OneStream. This is a buy. This is a buy. $16.46 in pre-market for this stock. Guys, if you look at this stock, look where you are. This stock, even if you go to average, you're at $23. Your average for this, I would say probably a little lower than that. Let's go 21.29 as average. Okay, guys, you're talking $5 a share that you could end up getting out of this stock. And what's nice about these lower price stocks, you can buy a lot more shares. So you can make a lot of money on those type of stocks. It's not a big mover and it hasn't been doing good lately, but it'll have its day in the sun, I promise you. All right, so I should never say I promise you. I don't like talking like that. You never ever can promise anybody anything. You know, it's just slang talk, guys, slang talk. There's never a guarantee in this business, but from my experience, that's what I'm telling myself. All right, now here's a stock. This Serve, this is a stock, guys, that I think is a hype stock right here. This is a hype stock. They don't make any money. They don't really have a lot going on, but yet people have been pouring into this stock, and it's had a really, really good run if you were a part of that. I mean, you pay $5.99, and you literally just tripled your money. So pretty amazing. Sometimes the stock market can make you a lot of money, guys. Symbotic is getting, it's fighting back. There's a lot of money in this stock. A lot of money in this stock, people. This stock, I bought this stock at $27. It's at $72. This is, I told you guys about this stock. For those of you that watch me, I'm a new channel. I told you guys to buy this stock when I bought the stock. And man, this thing just took off. I told you it would. I told you it was my number one stock in the market. PayPal's at a decent price. I think it's like $65.42 in pre-market, guys. This is a good stock to buy. This is a good stock to buy, guys. You're not overpaying there. I mean, what are you worried about? What are you worried about? I mean, who cares if it goes down $2, $3 or something like that? Who cares? Just hold it. Whoops. Okay. Quantum computing. Boy, this thing really had a little takeoff recently. Look at this in the last month, guys. Look at this. Look at this. $24.62 in the last 30 days. And look at this. Had you bought it right here at 17, went all the way up to $24. That's pretty damn good money right there. You buy like as much money as you can on this stock. Now, I'd be a little, I'm not saying that this is a good price for this stock at $18.74. I'm saying that I've seen it at 6 months. I've seen this stock down here before, like right $13, in my opinion, is a fair price for this stock. You're right in the middle at around $13 range. Now, I don't know if it will hit that. We would have to have like a crash to hit that. But just keep your eye out on that, because this is a future stock. Guys, let me share something with you guys. For those of you guys that want to get rich, if you see this stock dip and you keep adding every time it dips, guys, I would not be surprised if you hit a grand slam with this one. This is going to make people millionaires right here. This stock right here. It will in the long run. In the next, like, it could take like a year, 2 years, 3 years. This is one of those kind of stocks that you're going to look back and say, oh my God, thank God I bought that. I 5X'd it. I 5X'd my money. It's very possible that you will see this stock one day, guys, at $132. Could be even bigger than that. I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm telling you right now, I have been slowly building this stock up because one day I'm going to make a ton of money on that stock. Snap, man, I'm staying away from this stock. I'm not sold on this whole Snap, but at the same time, if you get lucky and something happens good with it, maybe somebody buys them out or something like that. I mean, it's possible this thing could see $10 again. I don't know. I'm Sound. I told you guys about Sound when it was $9. Look at it now. Look at it now, guys. Look at it now. Now it's down 62 cents in pre-market, but guys, this is another one that people are not worried about. Most of these people that are involved in this stock, they bought it around the $10 range, guys, and they're doubled their money already. So if it comes down $2 a share, they could give a crap. Okay, now I'm surprised that Target is holding steady here at $89. That's not too bad. That's showing some strength here from Target here. It has went down to 85 recently, which was right here, guys. See that 85? Do I know my stuff or what? $85. I knew that it went to 85, and that would have been a great time to buy, guys. And you could have just dumped it right there at 90. You would have made it quick, $5 per share. Nothing wrong with that. So anyway, yeah, Honest Company, guys. This is definitely getting close to a buy here. This is $3.60 in pre-market. Man, you see this thing around the 350 range. I mean, you can buy it right now, guys. You can buy it right now. I think that you're going to see this stock go back to $4. So I think it's an easy 40 cents a share. Keep your eye on it. I mean, if it comes down to 350, even better. But I think that this is a stock that you can easily make 40 cents on based on the price today. 40 cents is a lot of money. I mean, that's a good day's pay. And let me tell you, sometimes that 40 cents can happen in a day, one day. I've seen it happen. Okay, this one here, this particular stock here is going to make you some money here in the near future. I've told you guys about this stock. It's down 60% almost in just a year, guys. So you just need this thing to rebound back to about, I mean, I can't see you not making $10 a share eventually on this stock, especially by when summer comes. I would keep loading up on that one. Let's see what else. I'll tell you, Marvel Technologies has had a nice run. It's had a nice run, guys. This being down a whole $1 today in pre-market is nothing. So you look at, let's look at the last month. Look at this. You would have bought this bad boy at $70, $71. Look at that, guys. In 30 days, $18 a share. Unbelievable sometimes on some of these stocks. Nike's getting close to a buy, guys. Nike's getting close to a buy, guys. It's still a little high from what we got it for. We paid, what, $55 for this stock? We bought it right here. Man, your boy is just good, man. I mean, man, dude, I'm good in stocks. I'm good in craps. I'm good in baccarat. I mean, dude, I'm good in everything, man. I'm good at chasing women. Jeez, bro, I'm just good, bro. All right, guys, so let's see if there's anything else I want to yap about. Yeah, I don't like to go over too many stocks here, because it just causes confusion. Super Micro at $52.95. Guys, we saw this stock last month hit, what, 45? $44.90. Damn, I'm good. I know these things like the back of my hand, guys. That's what you got to do. You got to constantly pay attention every day. $44, guys. And now it's at 53. You think the people who bought it at 44 give a crap if it's down $1 today? They don't care. It ain't phasing them. What's a good price for this stock? I'd say I'd say I'd say 45 to 46. If you can get it around there, I would be okay with that. Trade Desk, man. Guys, this is a buy, man. This is a freaking buy right there, bro. That's a buy. It's a good price today. You're getting it for $49, dude. That's crazy. I saw it get down to, I think it hit 43. Let's see how good I am. God, I'm good. 43.93. That was on September 18th. So a little over a couple, like almost exactly 2 months ago. You could have bought this at $44. And then, boom, 54. That's $11 a share that you would have made. And dump it, and then it starts going down again. But at this price, man, that's not a bad deal, guys. Look at that dip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. All right, I think I'm going to bounce, guys. Now, I am going to do my podcast where I'm actually showing my face. Sometimes, guys, it's just easier for me to blab. Oh, this one here. Guys, this right here, it's way up at the top on the 1 year and the 5 year. Okay? I'd keep your eye on this one. And the last month, it's come down. It's come down. That's tied to Ethereum, guys. I would even be buying Ethereum cryptocurrency right now. It's at 3,700. If you guys want to wait and see if it comes down to 3,300 or something like that. I see good things happening with Ethereum over the years, guys. That's something that can get you very wealthy over the years to come. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hit that like button for me. Hurry up and get me to 500 subscribers so I can start making some money on this new channel. I can't make crap until I get to 500 subscribers. All right? And then it's going to be like pennies a month until it builds up to like 10,000 people. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.